Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Doro, and today's video I'm going to show you how to apply coconut oil on your hair. So you need coconut oil that is labeled virgin or cold press or unrefined, raw, all these things, all these characteristics, and a spoon. Also might need a shower cap. I know it's fully recommended, but I don't have one right now, so I'm so sorry. And this is a perfect amount to start with. So what you do is you do this. I just go ahead and apply it. If you have oily scalp like me, will be better just to apply the coconut oil right from here, like in the way I'm applying from here to the ends. And if you have super dry scalp, I don't think you'll have a problem. Actually, that will help you to moisturize and to nourish your scalp. Now what I like to do is to use a comb before putting a shower cap on it. I start with the ends. This helps me a lot to distribute the coconut oil in every single piece of hair that I have. Now what we have to do is to wait 30 minutes at least to let the coconut oil get into our hair. Maybe you can do it for an hour. That would be perfect. You can apply coconut oil overnight. It's completely fine. It's not gonna like hurt your hair or anything like that. The longer the better results. Now I'm able to say it's a little bit thicker than it used to be, and I'm super happy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this coconut oil tutorial. It's super simple and it gives you great results. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos, and I'll see you on Friday. Pura vida!